My name is Pravin. I'm from Suva, Fiji. I came to New Delhi for orthopedic treatment through Vaidam services. My point of contact was Vaidam, who liaised with Artemis Hospital for all my needs, all my doctor's appointments, all my surgery needs, all my post-surgery needs. Everything was taken care of by Vaidam from point A to the end, and now I'm ready to go home. They pick you from the airport, Vaidam, they bring you to the hospital, they arrange all doctor's appointments, and they take care of all your needs in between without any questions attached. They know what a patient needs. Vaidam is the best service provider I have experienced in India. This is my second time being treated in India. So I would highly recommend the services of Vaidam to start the process, and to end the process, everyone is involved from Vaidam directly to take care of the patient's needs. Thank you very much. Highly recommended.